Data handling, finding the median. Middle number. One more term that you come across in data handling is the median. The median is the value in the middle. So, to find the median, just arrange the data in ascending or descending order and find the number in the middle. Find the median of these numbers. First, arrange the numbers in order. Then find the number in the middle. That is the median. Find the median of these numbers. First, arrange the numbers in order. There isn't a number in the middle, or there are two numbers in the middle. Find the mean of the two middle numbers. Here it is. So the median is 4. What is the use of the median? Well, here you know that the median is 4. So half the numbers are less than 4 and half the numbers are more than 4. The median thus gives you the central value of the data. Find the median of this data. From this you know how many people scored a particular score when you look at the frequency column. How many people are there in all? To find out, we have to add up all the frequencies. When we do that, we get 14. Now, how will you find the median of this data? You need to know the central value. So, let's actually write this data down. What is the central value? The average of 2 and 3, that is 2 plus 3 upon 2, which is 2.5. So, the median is 2.5. This was not a very good way of finding the median. You can't write out lists like this each time. Then, what do? We know that we have 14 terms in this data. This is an even number. Half of that is 7. So, the median is the average of the 7th and the 8th term. To find the median, we need to find out what the 7th and the 8th term is. Let us find the 7th and the 8th term. Let's go to our data again and find the 7th and 8th term. The first two terms are 1. So, write 2 in the first row. The next 5 terms are 2. So, the 3rd to 7th term are 2. So, write 7 in the second row. The next 4 terms are 3. So, the 8th to 11th term are 3. So, write 11 in the third row. The next 2 terms are 4. So, the 12th to 13th term are 4. So, write 13 in the fourth row. The next 1 term is 5. So, the 14th term is 5. So, write 14 in the last row. We can also find this by adding the frequencies. We write the first frequency as it is, that is 2. In the next row, we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. In the next row again, we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. In the next row again, we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. In the next row again, we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So, the last one is 14. We know this is correct since we do have 14 terms in the data. As you study this, you will notice that in this column that we added in, the numbers only go on increasing. They are the term numbers in the data. Now, to get the median, we have to find the average of the 7th and 8th term. What is the 7th term? The number 7 is here. So, this is where the 7th term is. What is the value of the term? It is 2. Where is the 8th term? It is here. As the 8th to 11th terms are all here, what is the value of the term? It is 3. So we find the average of these two terms. That is the median. It is the value at the center of the data. What did you find out when you added the frequencies and made that column? We found out the cumulative frequency. What are the median marks? When a frequency table is given, we have to first arrange the data properly. So, the table will look like this. Then, find out the cumulative frequency. We write the first frequency as it is, that is 3. In the next row, we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. In the next row, again we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. In the next row, again we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. In the next row, again we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. In the next row, again we add the frequency to this number. So, we have 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. So, the last one is 37. From this we know that we have 37 terms in the data. So, the middle term is the 19th term. Where is the 19th term? The 18th to 21st terms are here. The value of each is 22. So, the median is 22. The median marks are 22. So, you know about the mean, median, mode and range. The terms may be a bit confusing. Here's a poem to help you remember what's what. Hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle. To add and divide for the mean, the mode is the one that appears the most and the range is the difference in between. Remember this when you find the median of the data. MED plus IAN upon 2.